Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tech-savvy folks. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about a little tool that's been a game-changer in my repair adventures. It's the 24-in-1 multi-purpose function digital mobile phone repair precision screwdriver, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. The price is around $8. First things first, versatility. This tool is like having an entire repair shop in your pocket. With 24 functions, it's your go-to solution for digital mobile phone repair, precision screwdriver tasks, and computer disassembly. From smartphones to laptops, it's got you covered. Now, let's talk convenience. It's small, compact, and incredibly easy to carry. Whether you're on the go, traveling, or just tackling a quick repair at home, you can slip it into your pocket or bag without a second thought. Durability matters, and this tool doesn't disappoint. It's crafted with high-quality materials that are built to withstand the test of time. No flimsy parts here, it's made to be your trusty repair companion for the long haul. When it comes to precision work, this tool shines. Those delicate repairs that used to give you a headache are now a breeze. Whether it's fixing a phone screen or tackling intricate computer components, you'll be amazed at how precise and efficient it is. Lastly, let's talk compatibility. This tool is your universal key to repair. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it an absolute must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for specific tools for each job. In conclusion, the 24-in-1 multi-purpose function digital mobile phone repair precision screwdriver is a true gem for anyone who loves tinkering with gadgets and electronics. It's versatile, portable, durable, precise, and compatible, a winning combination in my book. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just someone who loves to fix things around the house, this tool is worth every penny. It's affordable, reliable, and it gets the job done. Trust me, it's a purchase you won't regret. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy repairing.